Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the methods how to download VivaVideo PRO video editor free on your Android phone. Now let's start. First, turn on your Google Chrome and find out this sentence. Search. Scroll down and find out this link, and now you click on this link. Wait a minute and scroll down. And click here. This app, after your download complete, you open this app. Click setting and turn on. Click next. After that, you click install. Just a minute. And now, just enjoy. Thanks for watching.